Everyone, take the nails like this and put the red color nail paint over it like this, and then put the linings one by one. Spread the red color like this on the top of the nails carefully. Follow the same step for all the shapes of the nails like this. Put them in the same manner as shown in the video. Now put the lines using the red one like this. Make the designs as shown in the video. Now make the bow over the nails. Put some dots like this. Now you can put some stones over it and then put the transparent liquid over it like this to make it safe. And your nail polish or nail paint is almost done. I hope you liked it. Next, cover the half nails with the glittery red nail paints like this and put the dots on the other one. Now follow the same step for the rest of the nails in the same manner on the alternative sides or the alternative nails. You have to fix the nail paints like this. Now apply the brushes to spread it little bit from the sides. Now you can outline it with the help of the glittery nail paints like this using golden or silver color like this. Now after that you can put some stones over it like this to make it look more beautiful. Then put the transparent liquid over the nails to make it look safe, and your nail paints is almost done. I hope you liked it. So here, instead of red color paints, you can use any color of your choice, or you can use different stones of your choice like this. You can put some different flowers. Now moving forward, take the nails and then color it in the slanting way like this. So draw the lines and then fill the half section of the nails like this. Leaving the middle one and the first one, we'll be putting the 3 nails like this. Now cross it with the glittery part like this and then give it a shape on the side. Now follow the same step for the another one. Now after that, coloring it in the half like this. Fix it carefully, blow it with the help of a dryer like this and let it dry, and after that we'll be further moving on to it. Now with the nail paints which we left empty, you can put stones over it like this and then put the transparent liquid to make it look safe, and your nail paints are done. Next, we'll be making the nails like this. So putting the alternative nail paints like this on the nails. So now on the alternative nails which we left empty, we'll be drawing the lines like this with the little lighter shade of the red and then outline it with the glittery nail paints like this. Draw the lines carefully as shown in the video and put the nails very carefully. Draw the lines over the nails and put the stones one by one like this. Now after putting the stones over the nails, draw the dots like this. Put the stones over the nails carefully. Now after putting the stones on the lines like this, now dry the nail paints very carefully. Draw the lines over the nail paints like this, and then after that put the transparent liquid over the nails to make it look safe, and your nail paints are almost done. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.